Brompton is a well-known folding bike manufacturer in Europe, and it is considered a luxury brand with high-quality bikes that could last for years and don't suffer from depreciation. The Brompton S1E is the most affordable version, and we at BikeFolded.com had the chance to test it for a few months. Unlike the Han, all Brompton bikes are using 16-inch instead of 20-inch wheels. An obvious advantage of the smaller wheels is that it can reduce not only the size, but also the weight of the bike. Its weight is 22.4 pounds, and folded dimensions are 22.2 inches by 21.5 inches by 9.8 inches. Let's check out some pros and cons. Pros: compact and lightweight design, great customer support, provides a very smooth ride, durable components. Cons: more complicated folding and unfolding process. Performance and comfort are compromised. The Brompton becomes more popular in the US, and you might consider it if you're looking for a portable folding bike for short commutes.